ready to dive into the vast ocean of Azure Storage Services. Over the following few videos, I'll guide you through the exciting world of cloud storage, where data flows like water and availability is as reliable as gravity. From the foundational Azure Storage Account to the specialized services that keep your data safe, accessible, and lightning fast, I've covered the basics. You'll discover the magic behind the legendary nines of availability and durability, and learn how Azure keeps your data as secure as Fort Knox, but as accessible as your favorite coffee shop. I will explore blob storage tiers that adapt to your needs like a chameleon, redundancy options that make even the most paranoid data hoarder sleep soundly, and make migration strategies smoother than a penguin sliding on ice. Whether you're looking to store files, queue messages, spin up disks, or table your data, Azure's the service for that, and I'll show you how to master them all. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for takeoff. Your journey to becoming an Azure storage guru starts now. Let's turn those data challenges into cloud opportunities. The goal of this video series is to narrate the Microsoft Learn content, demystify these concepts, and add additional information when needed, making concepts easier to comprehend. You can follow along on the Microsoft Learn page. A triangle with an MS in the center shows the page number of the Microsoft Learn unit. This video covers the Learning module, Describe Azure Storage. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to follow along. In this module, we'll cover storage, compare Azure storage services, outline storage tiers, describe redundancy options, discuss storage account options, define storage types, identify options for moving files, and explain migration options. By mastering these objectives, you'll navigate Azure Storage like a pro, optimizing costs, ensuring data availability, and implementing robust protection strategies. Get ready to revolutionize your cloud storage game. Let's begin our learning path with an introduction from Microsoft, as they provide an overview of the various services that should be available with Azure Storage.
Azure Storage is Microsoft's cloud storage solution for modern data storage scenarios. Core storage services offer a massively scalable object store for data objects, disk storage for Azure virtual machines, a file system service for the cloud, a messaging store for reliable messaging, and a NoSQL store. Azure Blob Storage is an object storage solution that you can use to store massive amounts of unstructured data, such as text or binary data. Blob storage is ideal for serving images or documents directly to a browser, storing data for archives or distributed access, streaming video and audio, and disaster recovery scenarios. Azure File Storage offers fully managed file shares in the cloud, and shares are accessible using industry-standard network protocols. Mounting Azure file shares is just like connecting to shares on your local network. Azure Disk Storage provides disks for virtual machines and applications to access and use as they need, similar to how they would access disks that were on premises. Azure offers both solid-state drives for higher performance workloads and conventional hard drives for your less critical business scenarios. Azure Table Storage offers a NoSQL data store for key value pairs using large-scale datasets. You can use Azure Table Storage to store petabytes of semi-structured data and keep your costs down. Azure Queue Storage provides asynchronous message queuing for communication between application components, whether they are running in the cloud, on the desktop, on premises, or on mobile devices. There are 3 Azure storage tiers that you can use to balance your costs: Hot, Cool, and Archive. The Hot storage tier is optimized for storing data that is accessed frequently, such as images for your website. The Cool storage tier is optimized for data that is infrequently accessed and stored for at least 30 days, such as customer invoices. And the Archive storage tier is appropriate for data that is rarely accessed and stored for at least 180 days, such as long-term backups. Regardless of your business scenario, Azure has a solution to help you manage your storage needs.
Congratulations on taking the first step towards learning the Azure storage or continuing your AZ-900 journey. Dive into the upcoming videos to unlock in-depth knowledge and practical insights. Take advantage of this chance to become an Azure storage expert. Start watching now and elevate your cloud storage skills to new heights. Let's get started. And I'd like to thank you for watching.